Hi guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. We have in front of me a Yamaha YPT-255 keyboard. Picked this up a while ago. I figured I'd finally take it apart. So let me try to set this camera down so you can get a view. I've already taken out a majority of the screws out of the back, and it still won't come apart, so I'll have to do a little persuading. As you can see, the screen here is cracked, so somebody obviously dropped this, turned it into a kid's toy. They started painting on it, painting the keys and everything else. But like I said, it's pretty well bashed up. I've had this laying around for a while. Time to get rid of it. Taking up too much room. Valuable space, yes, valuable space. Oh, speaker. We'll use that. Take that apart later. A pair of pliers on my foot. Alright, let's see what else we got. I guess there's two halves here. Lose them out. When you loosen up, they don't quite come out. You have to use a little persuading here. And they don't have a hammer hand. Comment if somebody wanted me to make another nonsensical video. I do like to do that, have a little bit of fun with stuff I'm tearing apart. So, without further ado, here it is. Ah, success. There's the other side. Just fell on my foot. There's the second speaker. These speakers will probably be pretty nice, actually. They're Yamahas, so the speakers probably work. Low grade board, I'm sure. More screws will recycle that. A lot of plastic, everything's plastic nowadays. Battery tray for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 AA batteries go right there on the other side. As you can see, really not a whole lot. They probably charge a couple $100 for this thing at the store, and all it is a lot of plastic crap. Little circuit board. And I don't know what else we got here. Take a quick look inside. Just the oscillator right there. Flat packed. A couple little itty bitty. Oh no, I'm mistaken. I thought those copper screws, but they're not. Yeah, it's pretty much a lot of low grade components. Maybe not low grade, but cheap. Put all this together in a giant. Maybe this is like a professional organ. I don't know. I don't know anything about these pianos or organs. But yeah, basically a lot of flipping plastic. Plastic keys, plastic base, cheap screws. So there you have it. It probably weighs about 10 pounds altogether. So I'll take these boards off. Take the wires off, cut the ends off, save the wires, insulate the wires, save the speakers, recycle the screws and circuit boards. The rest will go in the garbage. Shame. All that money went to something like that. And one accident, drop it on the ground, it's trash. And when I get it, it's even more trash. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Keep hoarding. Bye-bye.